Hi guys, welcome! Today I will be quickly giving you a 100% working Hostinger coupon code. As you can see here, their current sale just went live, where you can get the best deal along with some free months. Now, if you come to the Hostinger site without any code or discount, you will be seeing the default pricing. Now, to get the limited period special discount, all you need to do is just click the link in the description, and after you come to this page, select a plan of your choice from here. For example, let's choose the first plan named Premium, and let's click on the Choose Plan button. Then, wait for some time to load the plans page. Here, you can see the plan details on this page. You can also see that you can save the most amount of money if you go for the 24 months or the 48 months plans. But if you prefer, you can also go with the 12 months plan. The 1-month plan doesn't have any discounts on it though. For an example, if you want to get the 48 months plan for getting the highest discount, all you have to do is just select this plan and you can see the option of entering your coupon code here. Now, please make sure that you know that Hostinger may change how their plan page looks and their page interface time to time. So, the plan pages may look different to you depending where you are located in the world and what devices you are using. But, you will still be able to apply the coupon code and get your discount and offers. Now you can see that without the discount, what this plan costs here. Now, enter this Hostinger coupon code, and don't worry, I will include this coupon code in the video description also. So, you can just click the link in the video description and enter this coupon code in this coupon code field to get the discount. Now, as you can see, after entering this coupon code, the price went down, which is a very nice amount of savings, like you can see here. And now you can see that you can get all the plans at a lower price than what you saw before. Now, as a side note again, Hostinger may change its website interface, plan names, and pricing time to time. Currently, they're offering 2 months free on few selected plans. So, like I previously mentioned, please check the discounted link we have provided in the video description down below to check their current offerings. Then, select the plan which you want, enter the coupon code, which I mentioned earlier, and buy. So, that's it for today's video, everyone. Please take care of yourself and your family. Please stay safe and blessed.